The most important thing that you want is proper repairs. Proper repairs are dependent upon proper estimation, and a proper estimation is dependent upon a proper evaluation. In order to get that, you have to do a tear down of the vehicle. This one has been specially prepared for us, as you can see, but when you have the vehicle apart, all of a sudden you can see the hidden damages. Here's an example of fiberglass, a fiberglass front panel, and a steel structure behind that. So you have a combination of the two materials. In order to get a true evaluation, you need to determine if the vehicle is shifted, if there's any frame damage across both the diagonal and the horizontal planes. The best way to do that is with a tape measure, and you find two equal points on both sides like hood hinge bolts, and you do a diagonal in both directions. They should be equal, and if they're not, then obviously the body has been shifted. That'll give you a good indication. Also, in heavier hits, you want to measure from the center of the wheel to the center of the wheel. That'll tell you if there's any distortion in your actual drivability pattern. One thing that's important to mention is the economics. This show is not about economics, but someone has to pay for this damage. And in order to do that, usually it's an insurance company, they have to agree to what has to be replaced and what has to be repaired. Someone makes that decision, and it may not necessarily be you, the car owner. So, once the economics are in place, the parts are ordered, when you tear it down, keep all your clips, everything, your little screws or bolts, put them all in a pan so they're all together. Once you have it torn down, once you have it estimated, then you go into frame repairs.